Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set two verification on PayPal account. To get started, let's open Chrome browser as it is impossible to set two verification on PayPal app. So let's open Chrome browser. Here log in your PayPal account by clicking on paypal.com. So it will navigate you to this interface. Here tap on setting icon as shown here. Now it will open your profile page. Here tap on security. And now you can see two-step verification. Tap on it. You can use an authenticator app or use a security key device. Let's click use a security key device and click on use an authenticator app. So in this way you can set two verification. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.